Hello everyone, welcome to BIMModel.com. So, as we are doing the series of tutorials, we discussed many times we can use the filter to do the quality check QC in our Revit model. You could be you may be an architect or an MEP engineer who's doing modeling work in Revit, where you need to certain things need to be checked. One of the case here, I have a MEP mechanical HVAC model. Some of the ducts are not insulated. I need to check those by using filter. The filter command is available. The same thing can be used in any other discipline as well. So it's just a matter of data is available with the models. Under the view, we have a filter. You can go to the filter option and you can open filter option settings available by default. I need to check the insulation, so I can create a new filter which is called duct, or I can say it as QC duct insulation. So I'm going to find a duct or duct fitting, both. You can select the elements that you needed. So duct fitting and ducts. What elements don't have options of insulation? So I'm going to select the duct properties. These are the common properties between the duct fitting and ducts. And insulation is the thing that we are discussing. So insulation thickness, I like to go with the condition. Whatever the insulation, duct insulation have less than or equal, less than one value, I'm going to find that. So whatever the ducts or fittings have a value of less than 1, it's not less than or equal, it's less than 1, we're going to find it. Select OK. Now we can go ahead and go to the visibility settings of the view, current view, VG you can give as a shortcut. Go to the filter, add the command. We have a QC duct insulation in this place, add that. This filter is enabled and the visibility of that elements also enabled, and we can go ahead and apply the color patterns. And in my case, I'm going to apply this as a red color, so that solid filling and red color, we will be able to see it more brighter. And select OK and select OK. Now you can see that there are places red colors appear, and you can zoom in while working. So this filter will be active. You will be able to understand. In some place it shows as red instead of showing blue, and instead of showing pink color it shows red, which means we have a condition that these ductworks doesn't have an insulation. We can identify visually like this. In some time it will be very difficult to understand where are the places we have insulation missing. In that case, you can do other way also. This is the second method, and instead of having our QC insulation less than 1, we can make it opposite way, greater than 1, greater than or equal to 1. Whenever we find this value, we can select OK. Now other than this command, all other elements will be in red, but instead of that applying the filter in the here, we can turn off the visibility of that element, so that we will have only the remaining elements which are which doesn't have a insulation. So we can turn off the other category of elements, which is air terminal and mechanical equipment things, filter, and we can go ahead and untick the ducts and duct fittings. Okay, we can turn off the category visibility in graphics also, we can do, or we can do it this way as well. Now these are the elements doesn't have insulation. We can select them like this, add an insulation. Once the insulation is added, it will pass the condition and automatically it will be hidden from the view. We can save this view as a view as a QC view for installation, and we can have it in the template. That's the advantage we have. And whenever you start a new project, automatically when you come to this view, you will understand that what are the elements doesn't have property. So this does not applies to only these elements of ducts. You can think of any unlimited number of possibilities. You can create your own views or create your own filters for QC purpose, which can be validated later time. I hope this tutorial helped you. Do share it with your learning friends, which helps us to improve, and do comment if you have any other questions related to this filter or any other command which is related to Revit. We'll be able to answer you in the next tutorial. I hope see you on the next tutorial, and see you. Bye bye. Take care. Bye bye.